Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio. Today I'm gonna react to Bboy Gazi Windmill. If you want me to help you with your power moves, check out my Patreon link in the description. And also, if you're interested, check out my merch, link in the description. Let's start! He sent me 2 videos. First video. Oh, it's not bad actually. Actually, this looks nice. Looks nice. Okay, let me see it slowly now. So the start is good, he has a good push. The only thing that I notice in his windmill is that his head is off the floor when he's on his back. His head should be relaxed on the floor. So here, as you can see, his head here is off the floor. His head is kind of like this. Instead, be relaxed with your head backwards. I recommend you guys, when you practice the windmill, to practice only side freeze to backspin. And when you do the backspin, keep your head on the floor. Don't lift it up, but maintain it relaxed on the floor. Beside that, his windmill is good. Oh, right now it looks like he's using his head even less than before. His power is good. The power of his leg, the swing of his legs is good. The only thing is his head. As you can see here, even when he is on the freeze, he's almost done using his head. So what I recommend in his case is to practice side freeze. Oh no, would be even better if you practice headstand. From your headstand, you go to the side freeze and immediately to the backspin, maintaining your head on the floor. The whole time, the front of your head, the side of your head and the back of your head. And from the backspin, try to go up again to a headstand. So try to do headstand, side freeze, backspin, headstand, side freeze, backspin continuously. In this way, you will force yourself to maintain your head on the floor and to be higher. Your windmill is pretty good actually, but it would be even better if you stay a little bit higher with your body, if you are able to bounce your legs a little bit higher and to stay on your head the whole time. Your head is the most important thing. If you can use the head properly during the windmill, then it's gonna be very easy to learn variations like the munch mill and tombstone windmills, Australian windmills, or even combos like windmills to 90s, windmill to head spins, windmill to halos, things like that would be very easy. Remember, when you practice, when you want to learn the windmill, but also if you can already do the windmill, try also the windmill by using the headstand. Not only the side freeze or the baby freeze, but try, instead of using the side freeze or baby freeze, try to use the headstand instead. This will make your windmill higher and smoother. I hope this video is useful for you. If you want me to help you with your power moves, check out my Patreon link in the description, and if you want, check out my merch, also link in the description. See you next time with the next reaction or the next tutorial. Yo ninjas!